All
more.
right, I got
It's
it, I got it, I
on.
got it, I got it, I got it. I got it, I got it. Right. Right, guys. Sorry for that. Let's get it. Let's get it. Right. We are looking at the screen now. So what are we saying, my people? Right. We are looking at it's looking like a sell. This is on the 15 minute. How would you mark up the chart, Andrea? How do you normally do it?
Okay, Abby. So personally,
Yeah.
um, to be honest, I already took the stop loss from Zen this morning.
Yeah, I took that big stop loss as well.
Yeah, me too.
A huge
90
stop
pounds.
loss.
Um,
Mine was 200. But it's all right.
well, what can I say? Don't worry, we're gonna make it
It's
back in
mon
no time.
Money
So
flows. That's my mindset now. Money flows through us. Right. So,
they do indeed. Okay, so let me charge my laptop too.
okay.
So first, I absolutely love to trade the 15 minutes time frame. As you know, for me, it's a bigger confirmation. And
Okay.
after I'm watching to have my entry on the 5 minutes or 3 minutes, like to have
Okay.
a better setup. But as I've said, I don't really like the way gold is looking at the moment.
Yeah, it's not giving us no
Just
clear
because,
direction, to be honest.
yes, it doesn't really know what it's doing.
Yeah.
So I would prefer to try and have a really good setup to give it a bit of time to make sure that I don't make rush decisions.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't see me. I'm so sorry, guys. Um, Let me just open my trading view because it's much easier for
Do
me
you want
because
do you want to share your screen? Will I stop sharing?
I can do so if you want.
Okay, you
I
share
don't
your
mind.
screen.
Okay, let me share my thing. Okay, I like it to keep it black. It's much easier for my eyes. That's the
Yeah.
only reason.
That's all right.
So we just got the volume in 1 minute time frame. We just got the volume, a big.
A big spike.
It's not it. Yeah, it's not really big. If I usually go for the volume if it's above 50%.
Okay.
If it's above 50, I will always
What's
enter
the
the
what's
trade.
the volume on it right now? I can't really see it.
It was, to be honest, few seconds ago it was 41.
Okay.
I'm just gonna close this thing in here because I don't like it.
So,
But again, you see, it's saying buy. In the next second, it's saying sell because the market doesn't really know
It's
what it's doing.
consolidating right
Yeah.
now, to be honest.
But
Yeah.
so
I believe, as I've said, as we can see the I call it golden EMA. I
Yeah.
don't know if it's the right thing
That's
to
what it's called.
say.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, but I know for sure when it's on my chart, most of the times, like 99%, it's gonna reach down to touch it. Most of the times, it's gonna go above or below it, or it's just gonna be a point of reverse.
Hmm.
Andrea,
Well, go on.
Yes.
sorry, you said something about volume there. Is how do you actually identify the volume? Sorry.
So as you can see, it's saying on the
There's
chart, it's saying volume. Look,
Oh,
40 point.
it's
this is it. This the purple thing there that is moving.
no the gold thing. Where it says VOL.
Sorry,
Just
yeah,
above that
just
cell
here
and below the other cell.
and here again.
Yeah.
This is basically the scanner is telling you that there is a higher possibility for
Mm,
the market to go in that direction.
okay.
Um, I don't like this sell at the moment, and I wouldn't really go on it because this is still green in here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
As you can see, a
It's going
spike
up.
up straight away.
yeah, yeah.
Um, But it's still as a trend, even if these two boxes in here are with purple, our trend is still bullish.
Yeah.
So for me to enter a sell in this situation, it will be reckless.
Yeah. To be honest, there's no clear. I
It's
haven't seen
no,
no.
no, and it's Monday morning again, guys. Don't forget.
Mm. So there's not
Usually
really as much
Monday and Fridays, you
activity.
need to be really careful with your capital. Sorry, Abby, what did you mean to say?
No, no, no. I was just kind of confirming what you said. And things kind of move a little bit. The market's kind of adjusting because people don't really trade that much towards the weekend. So on a Friday and then on a Monday, people are just kind of starting off. So I think it takes about a day for the market to really kind of adjust itself.
it's a higher possibility for the market to go down, to be honest. On the 30 minutes, as you can see, this is turned purple a bit, but everything below is still green, so it doesn't know what it wants to do yet.
1 hour.
The 1 hour.
Our time frame, because I always look at the higher time frames, is the same thing. Everything is green below, but the snake, because this is how I call it. This for me, I call it the snake. It's still purple. The candles doesn't have really a direction. If I will have this triangle in here on the last candle pushing up, then I will enter a buy. But again, it doesn't know what it wants to do. On the 4 hours, we have this in here, which again is showing me a possibility that the market it might push down. And the daily time frame, it's definitely a buy.
Yeah.
So I'm just waiting for confirmation, to be honest. But as I've said, I strongly believe that the market is going to reach at least this price here for 622.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it's buy, sell, buy, sell. I don't really want you to take a trade and not to be successful at the moment. If you don't have anything to do, maybe me and Abby, we can answer more questions and just wait for a better setup, because it's gonna come. We have the 15 minutes closure in 6 minutes. I would like to see what this is gonna do.
Okay. Yeah, no, that's fine. I mean,
remember, you don't want to force trades.
Yeah.
You lose,
especially Mondays.
That's how you lose money. That's how you blow your account.
Yeah, right. Oh gosh. But everything, it seems like it does want to push down a bit. Gold has grown so much in the last few weeks. And don't forget that we have the most important news on Friday, which is the Jonathan, whatever it's called. Last time when Jonathan spoke, from 3,300, the price of gold, it pushed it up to 5,500.
Who the hell is Jonathan?
So, don't you know the news for Jonathan, whatever it's called?
I know.
Hold on, let me find it.
I don't know who Jonathan is. Who's Jonathan? Yeah,
This is how the news is called. I don't know. Don't ask me.
Those are the people that controls the market, Harvey.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is how it's called. How is the CPA? How it's
any other Jerome, is it?
Hey, whatever. You know I'm terrible with names.
Yeah, Jerome Powell.
Yes, guys, you're gonna see me more often from now on. Just one thing to let you know. I am awful with names. It's nothing personally. I don't remember names and I don't remember dates. Sorry.
Yeah, this is giving us no clear setup, man. Flipping now. Unlike the last call. Remember the last call we had? It was just action.
But the last call was unreal. It was just constant.
Yeah.
And Friday was very bullish, man. Aggressively.
Friday was very, very good. Can't lie.
To be honest, I was expecting a pull down on Friday, but it never happened.
Yeah.
So it seems like gold really wants to push down.
5 minute. Let's check the 1 minute. What's the 1 minute saying?
1 minute at the moment, it's saying
it's still all over the place. It's still not giving us a. Do you want to zoom that out a little bit? Zoom it up.
I think it's from what I can see, it's consolidating. It's no clear direction.
Because we can see even at the bottom the snake line or the pulse line. That's so it's like all over the place. Purple, green, purple, green.
Yeah.
Then sorry? What'd you say?
I said if you check 15 minutes, it's saying there that there's a pullback. It's pulling back. So
yeah, 50 minutes is confirming that's a sell. But again, the trend, it's very bullish.
Yeah.
So you just need to be careful, not to risk. Don't risk what you can't afford. Just use proper risk management.
And can I ask you something, Andrea?
So
can you hear me?
Please.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Have you ever had like from using Cypher, have you ever had an A plus setup whereby you just like, you know what, based on my analysis with Cypher, this is gonna run maybe for like the bull is gonna go up for the next 10, 15 minutes. Have you ever had that A
I will,
plus setup with Cypher?
yes, yes, I do. I did had it, and this is how I make most of the money.
Okay.
This
And
is
sorry, again, how would you confirm that? Okay, you know, sometimes because with Cypher, you might go, Cypher would say it's sell, and then because sometimes I don't want to stay on the chart. Once Cypher give me like a position to buy in, I buy. At that point, I just want to quickly go do other things. I don't want to sit down and in between that time, you come back and you can see, oh, Cypher probably have changed the market again, up, sell, buy, sell, buy. So when do
I
you
will,
actually confirm that A plus setup? What are your confirmation that, you know, no matter what happened, I'm gonna come back next 5, 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, and
okay.
maybe
So for me personally,
Mhm,
because
mhm.
this is what I do when I'm at work, I'm just watching the 15 minutes time frame and I'm just waiting for a confirmation from the 5 minutes to enter my trade at a better entry. So if like example 15 minutes time frame is telling me to go for a buy and everything on the box in here, yes.
Sorry, can you zoom out your chat a bit, please?
Um,
Because it's just showing the lower
can
box
you
chat.
see all?
Or is it just me? Hold on. Or is it?
I can
Oh,
see
okay.
everything.
Apologies. It was me. It was me. Sorry. I
Okay.
had my
Okay,
phone upside down. Yeah.
so you have the scanner.
Yeah, I can see it now. I can see it now.
Thing-
Yeah.
The thing and the most important thing for me is always to follow what's saying in this box.
Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
If like example in the last 2 weeks, pretty much every day they were all green in here.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So
Mm-hmm.
I was going on the 15 minutes time frame.
Mm-hmm.
I was seeing what's telling me if it was a buy.
Mm-hmm.
If it was a buy, I will enter the trade, like example how it called a buy in here. Earlier on, at probably at 1 o'clock in the morning in here, it called a buy 100%.
Mm-hmm.
If I was awake at 1 minute and I had this candle here, it was on a buy. I had the volume, everything below it in here, it was green. Here, everything it was green. That will be my setup. It's a really big stop loss to
Mm-hmm.
watch, but if
Mm-hmm.
you use proper risk management, you don't need to watch the charts every minute. I don't personally trade the 1 minute time frame. For me,
Okay.
it's
Mm-hmm.
way too much. It's buy, sell, buy, sell. I don't want this for me. I've
Okay.
tried it and it didn't work for me.
Mm-hmm.
I normally do the 1 minute time frame, to be honest. I
Yes,
just
but
bam, in and out,
again,
bam, in and out.
yes, but again, you have more money in your account, and if you have the time to be on it, yes. But if I am at work, like example,
Yeah, that makes sense.
when you don't have time to be on the phone, and especially because I'm working with patients and I'm doing whatever,
Mm,
yes, I can't even reach my phone for 20 minutes, maybe sometimes even 45 minutes.
yeah. Oh, that 1 minute's going down.
Yes, I've told you that it's gonna reach this.
Yeah.
I've said it. It's just a matter of time. I'm not sure if the 15 minutes. Oh, here, the 15. Yes, guys, this is gonna be going down. So, as you can see, the 15 minutes called in here. Now at 15 minutes past 9, this is the new candle that just reopened, yeah?
Yeah.
You have the purple on the just in here. The snake is purple. The trend is purple in the middle,
But
and
it's not giving us a
this is
purple
purple.
though. It's not giving us a purple cell though on the top right in the box.
Yes, again, it doesn't, but the market is not going to give you perfectly purple in here until it's actually going to happen because it's been so bullish recently that it can't just change automatically, if this makes sense.
Mm,
If this candle is going to go below this resistance support, then most likely this is going to change as well.
yeah.
But it's still risky because the market doesn't know what's happening.
Andrea,
I'm
did you see them three purple lines, the solid lines to the right of the chart?
just give me 1 second. Let me go back.
So you've
As you can
O1,
see,
O2, O3.
yes, these ones.
Did you put
This
them in yourself?
no,
I
they're
can't see
the
them on my own. Oh, never
you,
mind. I had to zoom out. My bad.
yes.
Yeah, they're there.
Make sure that you can see everything on your charts because every single thing that the educator put on the scanner, it's very important. Resistant levels, support levels, this C trigger, which is absolutely the best thing that you can use.
Which one?
As this, the C trigger, the bottom one.
Okay, yeah,
I've
yeah,
noticed
yeah.
that main clients, they don't have it. So please get it if you don't. For the 5 minutes, guys, and why I don't really have a setup yet, it's again, this little dot
Hello?
dots in here, they are with green. That's mean that it doesn't really have a direction.
Sorry, I think
Can you
you
hear
cut
me?
off there for a second. Could you say that again?
I'm so sorry, Abe.
No worries.
So you have the green dots in here for the 5 minutes time frame.
Is it my network or she's frozen?
I think she's frozen.
Okay.
Thought it was me as well. Okay.
Yes, you see the little dots.
Hello, Andrea.
Let
I
me
think
make it a
you
bit
froze there again.
Uh,
You want to leave the meeting and come back in
I
again?
think it's
Think what?
no, I don't know. I think it's just my laptop keep freezing because I have way
Too much stuff running. Okay.
too many things opened.
What the hell? What the hell?
Yes, guys. I
Ah,
definitely.
but she's giving real good information. Okay.
Yeah. Right, are we back?
Are we back? I believe so.
Yeah, we're back. We're back. We're
Yeah.
back.
Okay, sorry guys. I'm not sure if it's my connection because they're doing some things in the building. They are changing the lift.
Mm.
No, I think Zoom itself these days seems to be sucking up a lot of data when
So
using video call.
they did say that I might be left with no electricity. Anyway, let's just go back. Yeah, it is indeed. So, as what I was trying to say a few minutes ago, and I was trying to zoom, you can see these little dots in here on the 5 minutes time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we see the dots, yeah.
Can she do video audio and then still share a screen?
Guys, are you still with me? Yeah, perfect. So these green dots, these are telling me that the market really it doesn't know what it wants to do.
Andrea,
Andrea, your signals
This is more.
cutting it
can
off.
you turn off your video and then
Yes.
see if you're still able to share your screen? That might help.
Sure. Anything that you guys think it might help.
Yeah, just turn off your video and then see if you're still able to share your screen.
Today's been going up though, on the 4 hour. It's been quite bullish.
I can't find it.
Yeah, just turn off.
That's making me problem. More than my... Okay. Now I switched off my video.
Okay. Right, you were
Let me
saying about those dots, those green dots, yeah?
Let me go back. I don't know. I can't see anything on my screen at the moment, guys. So just bear with me, please. I'm so sorry. Yeah, sharing.
Yeah, we have.
What is happening with my laptop and connection this morning? Okay, we are back. Okay.
Yeah.
So these little dots, when you usually have the dots in any time frame, that's that's a confirmation that the market is deciding what it wants to do.
So when you say deciding, elaborate on that. Yeah, our signal's finished.
So I will always, because look, like, yes, it is, but I don't know why. Because on my side, the signal is really, really strong.
Hmm.
I don't.
It could be the laptop. If there's a load of stuff open, it's probably using too much storage or whatever, and it's slowing it down.
Really understand what's happening. Do you want me to try and do it from the
From what?
guys? Would you like me to try to do it to join it from my phone? Maybe that will make a difference.
Maybe, but then you can't share your screen. I'll share my screen, is it?
Okay, yes, sure.
That's all right then.
Let's do this. I'm just gonna join now.
I'll just put my brightness back on. My white screen. Right, you guys can see that, right?
Yeah.
So for me, the way I like to do, I like to use these re-entry boxes as that's how I like to pick my trades. I go into the 1 minutes, but like I wouldn't really place any trades here because there's no, as I said, there's no real clear setup. Everything's kind of going down and up, down and up. So personally, I probably wouldn't even trade. I'll just wait. Unless, look at that, it's been quite sideways.
Yeah, it's just rebounding the whole time.
Yeah, it's just kind of look, sell, buy, sell, a bit of a buy. Yeah, as I said, the way I like to do is I like to use these re-entry boxes, like if I was to enter trades, because there's always, where it says re-entry, there's always some kind of support or resistance there. And just like the last time, we were just looking at the candle closures, where it closes in and around this box would determine how I'll get into the trade, you know. So for example, I would get, when it bounces off the box, if I see that it's kind of resisting off that area and we see it with a couple of candles, then I'll see where the next candle will close, and hold on. Yeah, I let her in. Is she in? Yeah, she's in. Andrea, you in? Okay, yeah.
Yes, I'm back in.
Yeah. So that's the way I determine my trades in the 1 minute. I said I'll use the boxes. I'll see how the candles kind of deflect off the box. And if I see that, okay, this is some kind of area of resistance, then I'll look at the next candle. I'll see if it closes inside the box. And then that'll be my cue to, if it's going down, that'll be my cue to do the sell. If it finishes here on the uptrend, that'll be my cue to do the buy. So that's how I normally find my trades personally in the 1 minute. And then the way I do it, once I get it up in profit, 30 pip profit, I'll use a decent lot size. Once I get it in 30 pip, like this is probably going to go down now. Yeah, you can see this box here. It's acting like some kind of resistance here.
It's just the re-entry box, and it's working for any time frames. Like, I love it.
Yeah,
I absolutely love it. If you pay attention to all the details that the scanner is telling you, you're gonna succeed.
Yeah.
You just need to understand every single thing what's doing, so you can find your best options.
So you said these little dots here, yeah? It just means that the market doesn't really know what it's doing.
Yeah, like they are, or rather the green dots right now is telling you that the market is trying to push up.
Okay.
But at the same time, you have the big arrow on top of the candles.
Yeah.
If you look at the 5 minutes or even here, which is telling you that the market is going down. You just had a very big
Good
volume
sell.
of 50% on the 5 minutes time frame with the big arrow on top, which is saying that the market is going to push down. So if you are on this sell on the 1 minute
Yeah, I
time
think that
frame, keep
that would
it.
have been a good sell. Yeah, this
Yes.
sell here would have been good. Right here, around here, around this price here, and you're selling.
Yeah.
That was a good sell because you can see everything lined up. 1 minute, purple, purple
Uh-huh.
pulse line, purple snake, whatever you call it. Then we can even see these all these EME, the red and the blue.
Yes.
When they spread
They're blue.
apart, we can definitely see that this is going downwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, when that red line's at the top, we know that's a nice sell. You know, yeah, this was
It's
a
Monday.
sell. This could have been a
It's
sell.
Monday.
So
It's
sorry.
Mon. It's Monday morning, guys. Let's just be patient. Doesn't
Yeah,
matter that we didn't enter this trade. It's fine. The market doesn't go anywhere.
so true. But yeah, the way I do it 1 minute, I would look for a good re-entry. I normally use these boxes, and I said I'll use a decent lot size. And then
Ooh.
if it hits what it does is if it goes up 30, 40 pips, I take half, 50%, I close 50%, profit that, and I leave another 50% and I move my stop loss to entry. And I normally just let that run. And if it keeps going up, I'll trail the stop loss. Yeah, that was a beautiful sell.
Down. It's gonna reach 62, 622. Trust me. It's
And
going.
it's going to hit that gold EMA, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, it's gonna reach it. 100%.
This goes
It
back up
always
in here,
does.
guys. I might see what
Yeah.
it does. I might just jump in. Fuck it.
I already. I'm already on on minus today. I'm waiting for a better entrance. But again, you just have this bullet on the
Yeah.
1 minute time frame, Abby. You had the bullet down at the bottom.
See that again?
Just where is the snake?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. You had this little dot.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
means it could
Yes.
change.
That's another confirmation most of the times that's going down.
Okay,
Or
turn
it's going up, depends on the color, of course.
slightly green there. But I think
And it's
it's
going.
actually I don't want to think anything right now. Okay, re-entry. Whoever wants to get in. Everything's lined up. It's up to you. But still, this is not giving us green though, so I
Now,
wouldn't. Okay, now it's giving us purple. Sorry. So that was a re-entry. I don't know if I'll get in. Should I get in?
Be there, your money, you know what you can reach and what you can't. But trust me, it's gonna reach that golden EMA, 100%. I mean, I've always seen it, and I've been doing so much journal on the scanner, and
Mhm.
every time this thing, the golden EMA, it's gonna be on the screen. It's always gonna reach it.
Think
so
I'm
then,
gonna-
Andrea, when are you hoping to get into that trade then?
I will tell you what, I don't think I'm going to enter in any trades for at least another 1 hour or two. I think I'm
Okay.
going to watch the market and I will see what's happening. If everything is going to be aligned like for the 15 minutes and I will have a bigger volume, or the 30 minutes is going to sell. Oh, 30 minutes called a sell too, guys.
Okay, for me, I'm gonna see what this says here close to this re-entry box.
It's I will be honest with you, Stephen. For me to trade on a Monday morning, I'm always very, very careful. And
Yes.
most of the times as well on a Friday. My favorite trade days to trade are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But as I've said, if I will see really something really, really good, like if this uh, canner is going to turn purple at least for the 15 minutes and 30 minutes as well, I will definitely look for a sell. But at the
Yeah.
moment, everything, it seems like it's still going bullish. So
Re-entry.
for me, it's a bit of gambling now.
Yeah.
And I prefer to wait and take trades from the Telegram from our educators because definitely they know better. So I personally just wait now. I'm just waiting and see what's happening.
That's okay.
But we'll definitely. Abby was saying, and I'm really grateful that he had the idea to try to do this pretty much every day.
Yeah.
And because I'm working as well three days per week, when I am available and when I'm gonna be at home, 100% I'm gonna be jumping on the calls with you.
Perfect.
I think it's gonna be a good experience for everyone.
Yeah.
Come on, Abby, make this money.
We're going to. Money flows. That's the mindset.
Make money so you can take us for a drink.
That's how it goes. I'm there. That's the point. When am I coming UK next, actually?
Yes.
I'm gonna be in. I was meant to be there in a week or two. I'll have to see.
Please.
I'll be in London though. I don't know if you're in Birmingham though.
And what? I'm driving. London is my second.
You're driving a new Merc, yeah? You're driving a new Merc, yeah?
Yeah, congratulations on that.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it's my new baby. I love it.
Yeah, this market is doing nonsense this morning. What the fuck?
It's Monday morning, Abby. It's Monday morning. You have news all week. It's normal. Look, like example, now you have the divergence that is saying that the market is going up.
Yeah.
You know, that's why I said, let's not enter a trade. Let's just wait.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that after the London session and most of the times after the New York open market, we're going to have a better entrance and better setups. At the moment, the market is just doing whatever he wants to do. I'm not confident to enter a sell on the 15 minutes time frame. Look, like if just open the 15 minutes time frame, please, Abe.
Yeah.
Storm just call on your position buy.
What was after putting in a buy position?
I've never used Storm before, you know. I've never tried Storm trades.
It's nice. So let's just have a look for the 15 minutes time frame, guys. You see this yellow box now.
Yeah, I see the yellow. Oh yes,
Yeah.
what's this yellow box actually?
It's basically the re-entry.
A re-entry box?
Yes.
For
So
what direction?
usually,
Sell?
yes, but let me tell you something. Don't enter a sell because we are still very bullish.
No,
I'm not
I wouldn't enter the
confident on
sell, yeah.
sells. I'm not confident on sales at the moment. So usually, even if you have on the bigger time frame, let me just find an example for you, please. So
Which what are you looking for? 1 hour? 4
just 1
hour?
second. Yes, go for 1 hour.
Yeah.
Or 4 hours. Go for the 4 hours because it's easier. And if you're just gonna scroll down, Abe, you see a bit more. That's it. You see that you had all these re-entry boxes.
Yeah.
The market was very bullish. So what is happening? Even if you miss your entry points and you go on the bigger time frame and you see these re-entry boxes, every time they will gonna be the candle that's gonna touch them, it's gonna go on the direction that they've said. As you can see just there, both of the candles touched it and it went up.
This one's went through it. This one.
Yes. But these yellow boxes, they will gonna give you live on the market. Like if you open it and you don't have it there, and the market is going already up, if you recheck after few minutes, and there is the very strong possibility that the market is keep going on the same direction, they will gonna keep adding you these re-entry boxes, and this is what I love about the scanner.
Okay.
So we have another 22 minutes left from the 4 hours.
Yeah.
I'm really curious how this is gonna play.
So if you see if by the end of the 22 minutes, if that is back down around that yellow box, the top yellow box there, would you be like that's giving an indication that it's possibly going to go into a sell then, and it's a good time to get in?
Yes, if everything is aligned with the direction.
Yeah.
If everything is aligned with the direction, 100%. And I will always check the bigger time frames for me to confirm that the market is going in that direction. As I've said, most of the times I will be at work on Monday to Friday. So I'm always looking to go for a bigger time frame to take trades just because I don't have time and I really need to make the money.
Yeah.
If I don't trade, I'm going to be a homeless. So I've learned and I've tried a lot of time frames, and for me personally 15 minutes is the biggest confirmation for me to enter a trade, and this is what I'm looking at.
I just realized that I got a minute and a half left. So
Okay.
I'm gonna have to maybe
Well, I don't think we're going to do a trade on this
Yes.
anyway, the way the market is. So
okay.
do we do it again in the morning?
Should we go again at 2 p.m.?
2 or 3 p.m. What do you think, guys?
3 I can't do it because I have to be somewhere for I have an appointment for 4, which I'm leaving at 3.
Okay,
No,
we can do 2.
I could do 2 to 3. We can check it. We don't have to place any trades, but we can see what's there and if the
Yeah.
setups are online.
So,
Yeah.
guys, Steven and who else is on the call? I'm home today, so we can do a Zoom call at 2 with Abby,
Yeah.
and we can still be on the Zoom for 3, even if Abby
Yeah.
is not here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that okay with everyone?
That
Yeah.
works, yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Everyone, Anelka, Shaq, George, we align with the decision.
Yep, sounds good. Sounds good.
2 p.m. We'll jump back on and we'll see if there's any possible trades.
Perfect.
Amazing.
It's Monday,
Thank you very
guys.
much.
All right then, guys. Nice work. Till next, well
See you
done,
later.
Andrea. I really appreciate your time. We go again at 2. Let's make that money.
Anytime. This is what I'm waiting. Come on,
Let's do
let's
this. I
go.
love it. All right then.
Let's get it. Bye.
See you later.